guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Who do we have here?
It's Halloween.
Really?
And we carved pumpkins yesterday.
Yeah, I'll get a shot of those in the back. You have to look really hard. Who had the scariest looking pumpkin? No, Silas. He chose scary
And
pumpkin.
me too.
And Connor? Who liked touching the stuff inside?
Me.
Not Silas.
Yeah, me.
You like the pumpkin guts? I don't know if that's true. Look at little Kellen out there in the background. You guys, can you say hi to Vivi? Say hi, Vivi.
Hi, baby.
Can you say hi to Roxanne?
Hi, Starbucks.
Can you say hi to Ruby?
Hi, Ruby.
Can you say hi to Lady?
Hi, Lady.
Can you say hi to Oscar?
Hi, Oscar.
How about Grandma?
Oh, can you say hi to Grandma?
Hi, Grandma.
How about Pop Pop?
Hi, Papa.
Wait, okay.
Hi, Susie.
And that would be a guest appearance by Matt.
Mr. Natural.
Hi, Susie.
Ben.
I will be
God,
over.
That's really close up. Okay, so you have to tell us what your costumes are, and then we'll go.
A fireman.
Oh, fireman. What are you going to be, Silas?
Batman.
Batman, Mavelish.
After Lumen go dance.
And what's Kellen going to be?
Go. A pig.
Yeah.
A pig.
All right, say happy Halloween,
Squealer.
Happy Halloween, Mike.
Mike. And Rebecca.
And Veronica, Scott, you can say hi to Scott and Shannon too, because we'll email it to them. Silas, careful with Kellen.
And happy Halloween.
All right, let's go show them. We'll show them the evidence of your hard work yesterday. It's too cold to go outside right now. We have some cool pumpkins. Left to right. Connor, Maeve, Silas.